Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A 64-bit Windows Pro/Enterprise/Education system, CPU virtualization extensions, and enough RAM. Once confirmed, open Control Panel or Settings and enable Hyper-V management tools, and Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure to reboot after enabling features so the hypervisor loads. If you prefer PowerShell, run Enable Windows optional feature online feature name, Microsoft Hyper-V All, and reboot. This gets Hyper-V installed and ready, so you can create virtual switches. Now, build the network and the virtual machine. First, open Hyper-V Manager and create an external virtual switch tied to the host NIC for internet access. Choose whether to allow Management OS to share the adapter. Then run New Virtual Machine Wizard. Pick generation 1 or 2 based on OS, assign cores and startup memory, provision a VHDX, and set it to dynamically expand or fixed. Attach the installation ISO and enable Secure Boot for modern OSes. Once configured, start the VM and begin OS installation. Finish by managing and protecting your VMs. Use checkpoints for fast rollback during testing, but convert to production checkpoints before long-term use. Export VMs or use backup solutions for recovery. Configure live migration and replication if you have multiple hosts, and tune resource settings for performance. If things break, first confirm Hyper-V services and the hypervisor are running, update host drivers, especially NIC and storage, and review Windows Event Viewer for Hyper-V logs. If you still can't start a VM, disable Secure Boot temporarily to isolate firmware issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.